Okay, welcome to a week 22, assignment 2. What we're going to be doing this week, it is the beginning of Black History Month, and part of what we need to be doing is reviewing influential people, and since we've been doing presentations, I figured we would do a presentation about an influential Black person. You get to choose which person you want to do it about. And then you're going to create a PowerPoint that uses all of the designer, animations, transitions, and then answers the questions. Okay, and to find the people and the questions, what you need to do is go to here. It says week 22, influential people resources, and then you will it tells you exactly what it's going to be. So it's going to be a 5-slide PowerPoint. It has to use designer, 2 animations, and 1 picture and transition per slide. So each slide must have at least 2 animations, must use designer, have at least 1 picture, and then a transition to the second slide or the next slide. The slide 1 is your cover slide with their name, picture, and your name. Then you're going to be answering the questions. If you pick a person, whichever person you end up picking, you will open it up, and it opens in PowerPoint. There is a reading page that will have all information on it about the person. So Katherine Johnson was a NASA mathematician. And then it has questions. What was their most significant achievement? How did Katherine Johnson impact the scientific community? How did Katherine Johnson impact the general public? And what events played a role in Katherine Johnson's rise to fame? I do not want you to answer the questions here. I want you to create your own PowerPoint that has these 5 slides. Here's those questions. What was their most influential accomplishment? How was their accomplishments impact the scientific community? So you are using this information here. You are reading it, and you're using this information here to create a 5-slide PowerPoint that uses designer, 2 animations, at least 1 picture, and a transition on each one of the slides. If you have any problems or questions, please message me and let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I do not need to show you how to do anything this week because we have done all of these things. We are now taking them and applying them to a prompt or a problem, and your purpose of this PowerPoint is to inform someone about your influential person using this information and these questions. So you're answering these questions. All right, well, like I said, if you have any questions or problems, please let me know. And if not, I hope to see you soon.